So over here you can see that I have a footage, and now let's apply Luma key to it. So to do that, I'm going to go around under effects, and over here you can see that Luma key is an option. So if I were to go around and click and drag this out under the footage right here, then you can see that this is what you have. The darker parts right here even becomes darker. So what is actually happening is that if I were to bring in, let's say, another footage right here, you can see that the darker parts are actually becoming transparent, and that is what the Luma key does. So I can go around and change around the cutoff value right here. So you can go around and change it out to make it more cutoff, or get the brighter parts as transparent, and change around the threshold as you can see as you like. So you can go around and change around the threshold just like this, or change around the cutoff over here just like this, and get the transparent parts, that is the darker parts, or the brighter parts as you can see just like this. So that is how you can work around with the Luma key. And apart from that, you can go around with non-red key as well. So over here you can see the non-red key, and let me just go around and delete this. And now what I'm going to do is apply non-red key onto the footage below. So once I actually do that, you can see that I can change around the cutoff right here, and you can see that that is what you have. The non-red key actually goes around and affects out the colors that aren't red right here, just like this, and then choose around. So defringing can be green right here. So the green colors are actually defringed and turned red, as you can see, or you can go around and go for blue as well. There's no blue right here, so let's just go for green, as you can see right here, just like this. You can go around and add around smoothing and only choose the mask as well to see how it looks. And of course it adds in the key right here to the non-red areas, so you can still see things that are transparent right here beneath it. So you can see the pebbles and stones right here. Let me just go around and change around the threshold right here, and you can see the transparency going on just like this for the non-red colors. So you can also go around and apply out, of course, the non-red key right here on this particular footage. And then if I were to go around and change around the cutoff, you can see that non-red, the green, is more affected, and you can change around the threshold as well. So if I were to go around and keep, let's say, footage underneath, then you can see that those parts are transparent right here, just like this. You can see the moving elements over here underneath those particular pebbles. So you can go around and change around the cutoff value right here, just like this. You can go around and change around the threshold, as you can see, to make it more transparent as well. So you get a cool effect, as you can see. You can also go around and defringe the greens right here, and you can see that it becomes more red as well, and you can make the smoothing high, just like this. So you can see the mask only as well to see how the transparency actually works. And this is how you can work around with Luma key and non-red key inside of Adobe Premiere Elements. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.